We just finished this Grizzly Bear piece right here. 34 karat opal in the mouth. This is a one of one. We can make another one, but I ain't gonna have the same exact opal. And it's got all these bears and all these images on the back. All right, beautiful piece that weighs 142 grams on the dot of 14 karat yellow gold. Fully iced. We haven't tagged it yet. I don't know the carats of the diamonds because it's fresh out the oven. Unique. Added to our collection. Along with that, if you don't like bears, maybe you like tigers. This is like a 2.5 dimensional piece. Enamel and diamonds. Red diamonds in the mouth. Crazy. TraxNYC. Established 2004. Another extraordinary piece of jewelry. I really love this piece. With the enamel, that's a really great addition to our collection. Perhaps you like squirrels instead. All right, this is a Shmoopy piece that I made as a gift for somebody. You hit the nose, and there I am standing inside. This is not really for sale, but it's here. All right, it's Predators and Prey collection. The mini Grizzly. All right, it's got a stone in the mouth. I think that is an onyx. You'll see it on the website. Comes in different versions. Live chat to customize it. If you like to be one with nature, again, Native American spirit. Different color sapphires on this piece. 3-dimensional. Logo on the back. Made by us. Made in New York City. Not outsourced. Not nothing. Indian head. Sir, what do you think of this Indian piece right here?
Fire, bro.
Right?
Yeah, I'm Native American, so that represents a lot to me.
Yeah, this is a dope piece with the sapphires. Out of all of these, which one do you think is the most fire?
Oh, that tiger head.
Yeah, everybody likes a tiger head?
Yeah.
That's something. All right, well, good to know. All right, we've also got this skull head. The skull itself, silver. And the shell right here, gold. It's a unique piece for whoever wants it, right? These are all just unique collections. Then you got these pit bulls. Or they could be, there's, another type of dog. I don't even know. The last two Megalodon teeth. New York City Skyline in a box. Guns. AKs, Magnums, Uzis, Mac 10s, new crosses, mini pharaoh, and little baby penguins, and the crowns. Wave rings, burger ring for whoever's into burgers, all gold investment ring right here, opals, garnets, diamond, silver, skull, different gemstones. These are the new pieces on TraxNYC.com. I'm inviting you to shop. Financing is available. Layaway is available. Live chat. Make sure that people take care of you. Do good business. Do right by you. I'm here to stand behind every transaction 100%. And what are the other cool items? A silver skull head chain. A really nice piece. Something affordable and something unique. I got one on. Where's that at? Right here. In 18 karat yellow gold. You can have it in silver. You can have the whole collection. And you can have some jewelry to adorn yourself. TraxNYC.com. This is the new pieces. I would really love to know in the comments which one you think is your favorite.